Today I'll be trying the glazed nails trend, and I'm going to show y'all how to get the perfect chrome application. Starting off, you're just going to do whatever base you want to do. So today I'm going to take my white Beetles polish to do my cute little French tip. This same method definitely can be done without the French tips and just plain nails. Just skip the French tip part and follow all the steps after that. For my French tip, I'm not going to do the deep French that everybody loves nowadays. I want to do more of a old school French tip vibe. I think it looks way better with the glazed nails. It's just my preference. I am still going to take the polish down on the sides just a little bit, not too much, because we're not trying to give that deep French look, just so it don't give such of a straight line and ugly old school French tip. If you are new here, my French tip application process has changed a little bit. I usually put like matte top coat on top and then do the French tip just so it doesn't bleed out, because sometimes I have that problem, but it's been acting right lately. So now I don't do all that. I just go straight in after buffing. But if you still want that really crisp look and you don't want it to bleed like not 1 millisecond, go ahead and do either a top coat or matte top coat before you start doing the French tip. I'm going in with my Beetles top coat for the chrome to sit on top of. It is not too sticky. It's just perfect. I don't want to go in with a base coat because that's going to be way too sticky for me to apply the chrome. And the smoothness of the top coat is what's going to give me that opaque look, not too pigmented for the glazed nail look. Like most chromes, you would go in with the black or a white depending on how you want the undertones to look. We're going to go in with the clear today to make sure it gives us that transparent look. Make sure that you apply a really thin coat and wipe the sides, because we're going to have to apply this top coat again. I got this chrome powder from Amazon. I just went ahead and typed in pearl chrome powder, and the first thing that popped up, that's what I pressed. With different trial and errors with messing around with chrome, I noticed that using my finger is best to apply the chrome because it doesn't give it that grainy look that a sponge gives when you apply it with that. So just go ahead, rub it on your finger, and I'm gonna show y'all a little trick how to clean up the excess later. I'm just going to take my handy dandy makeup sponge. This was the trick I was talking about. You wipe that bad boy on the nails and it's going to take all the chrome residue off of your fingers and off of your nails. Let's say if you're doing like an isolated chrome, you still want to use a matte top coat that is chrome proof. But this will take all the residue off once you finish doing chrome and whatnot. The reveal of the nails after T classy, everything. Now we're just gonna go back with the top coat to seal everything off to make sure this chrome isn't chipping and going nowhere. If you like this video, go ahead and leave a heart down below in the comments and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let me know if down below, have y'all ever tried the glazed nails, or will y'all try them, and what y'all think about them? Is it giving classy? I love them. They're doing too much, but they're not really doing too much. They're really subtle. Now let me go ahead and do my left hand, which I dread. And I'm gonna see you guys in my next one. Bye.